This video goes over how to link Google Ads to your GA4 account. First, start at analytics.google.com, go to the admin page. You can reach that by clicking the bottom left corner tool icon. Scroll down. Under product links, this is a whole list of products that you can link to. For this video, we're going to do Google Ads. On this page, you would click the blue link button. You would then click Choose Google Ads Accounts. This will pop up with a list of all the Google Ads accounts that you have access to that you're able to link to this GA4 account. You would follow the setups and submit it, and you would then be linked to Google Ads. You would then see your account listed here on the regular screen. To see your data for Google Ads, for example, you can go on the left, go to Advertising. After you click on Advertising, go to Google Ads. On this page, you'll be able to see all the data from your Google Ads campaigns in your GA4 account. So if you scroll down, for example, you can see information per campaign. And that is all for this video. Thank you for watching.